Understanding wedding cake toppers, a sweet symbol of love. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a delightful topic that combines culture, tradition, and vocabulary. Wedding cake toppers. These small yet significant decorations sit atop wedding cakes, symbolizing the love and unity of the couple. Let's explore what makes wedding cake toppers so special and why they're a beloved part of wedding celebrations. A wedding cake topper is a small figurine or decoration that sits on top of the wedding cake. Traditionally, it represents the couple getting married, often depicted as two figures standing side by side. These figures can be realistic, caricatures, or even abstract symbols of love like hearts or doves. The key idea is that they symbolize the union and shared joy of the bride and groom. Wedding cake toppers have a rich history, evolving from simple flower arrangements to elaborate custom-made figures. In the past, toppers were often standardized, but today, they can be personalized to reflect the couple's interests, hobbies, or even how they met. This evolution highlights the increasing desire for weddings to be a reflection of the couple's unique story and personality. There are several types of wedding cake toppers, including traditional figures, classic representations of the bride and groom, monograms, the initials of the couple's names, offering a sleek and modern look, themed toppers, reflecting the couple's interests, from sports to fantasy, nature-inspired, including flowers, birds, or even trees for outdoor or rustic weddings. Each type adds a unique touch to the wedding cake, making it not just a dessert but a centerpiece of the celebration. Selecting a wedding cake topper is a personal decision that should reflect the couple's style and the theme of their wedding. Here are a few tips. Consider the theme of your wedding. Is it formal, casual, or themed? Think about your personalities. Do you want something humorous, romantic, or traditional? Pay attention to the size of your cake. The topper should complement it, not overpower it. Remember, the topper is a symbol of your love and should resonate with both of you. Wedding cake toppers are more than just decorations. They're a sweet symbol of love and unity. Whether you choose a traditional figurine, a chic monogram, or a unique themed topper, it's a wonderful way to personalize your wedding and leave a lasting impression on your guests. We hope this video has given you insight into the charming world of wedding cake toppers. Happy planning, and may your wedding day be as beautiful and unique as your chosen topper.